Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check model name of your phone Samsung Galaxy A16. Actually, this is Samsung Galaxy A16. Suppose if you don't know the name of your phone, you can verify with your phone itself. Suppose if you don't know this phone, okay, so if you like to check what is this model of this phone, then easily you can check. What you do, just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to the settings here. Then go to about phone. Go to about phone here. And here you will find model name. Here model name is written as SM A16 6P/DS. So here SM means Samsung, okay, and A16 means that is the model number. So you can easily verify that you have A16 mobile phone in your hand. In this way, you can easily check out model name for your phone, any phone. Okay, not only this Samsung phone, you can check it for any phone. Okay, so in this phone, in this A16 5G phone, I have verified that it is actually A16. Okay, so check the model name from the about phone of your phone settings. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.